Exploring the phrase, blew off, understanding its usage in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases and idioms, specifically focusing on the phrase, blew off. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clear up any confusion. In this section, we're going to uncover what blew off actually means. At its core, blew off is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of ignoring someone or intentionally avoiding a meeting, event, or responsibility. It's often used in informal contexts and can convey a range of emotions, from casual indifference to intentional disrespect. Here, we'll explore the various contexts in which blew off can be used. 1. Social plans. When someone cancels plans with friends or doesn't show up to a social event without a good explanation. 2. Work or school settings, referring to situations where someone ignores a responsibility or commitment, like missing a meeting or not completing an assignment. 3. Interpersonal relationships. It can also be used in more personal contexts, like when someone ignores texts, calls, or emails from someone else. Understanding the context is crucial because it can affect the perceived severity and implications of the action. To help you grasp the usage better, let's look at some examples. 1. Social scenario. I can't believe Mike blew off our dinner plans to play video games. 2. Work context. She blew off the team meeting, and now we're behind schedule. 3. Interpersonal relations. He's been blowing off my calls all week. I wonder what's wrong. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be used in different situations. Understanding similar phrases can broaden your vocabulary. Some synonyms include ignoring, skipping, avoiding, neglecting. Each of these has a slightly different connotation, but they can be used in similar contexts. So, that's a wrap on the phrase, blew off. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase correctly in your daily conversations. Remember, the key to mastering a language is practice and exposure, so don't hesitate to try using blew off in your English interactions. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.